back to Mum's Craft with Children. Today we are making Play-Doh. Play-Doh, let's do it! So, to make the Play-Doh, we're going to need a big bowl, half a cup of warm water, 1 cup of plain flour, and half a cup of table salt. If you want, you can add some colour and use some colouring. Shall we start? Let's start. First we take the 1 cup of flour and pour it into the bowl. After, we take half a cup of salt and pour it in with it. Now we start to mix, and then each time we can pour some water. Shall we all mix? Yeah.
Mix it.
Can you add some water?
A
A bit. I'll mix. So now I'm going to add some colour. Now I am going to add pink colour for my Play-Doh. Pink, because it's my favourite colour. It's so beautiful. And then Issa took his favourite colour, green. And Mohammed chose blue because he likes blue so much. Oh. And then we started to knead. Whoa.
Go on, Issa, Mohammed.
Yours is good. What, mine? Both of yours. Yours is good too. I will Play-Doh. I'm going to do a happy face on it.
Mohammed, Mohammed? Show me.
His one's dark blue. It looks colourful together. What if... Fire, can you stop?
Roll it and cut it and mark it with me. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Baby and me?
How flat did you make your plate?
I made it so flat.
And what sort of pancake?
You can make this Play-Doh, and then you can do whatever you want. So then you can make something like a Play-Doh, and then I know because my mom, my brother, my sister is doing my everything. Thank you. Bye.